Want to double your BDAG, win daily rewards, and get insider updates while BDAG is still $0.002? Well, here is your edge. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into the video. So here we are on the BlockDAG or BDAG website. And if you don't know about this, this is essentially one of the biggest, if not the biggest and bestest pre-sales out there, raising over $263 million. Now, if you've already bought BDAG, then they are actually finishing their pre-sale very, very soon. So you can see here they're doing one final offer, and that final offer is basically, if you've already bought BDAG, what you can do is buy the same amount again, but for 50% of the price. So essentially, for a little bit more, you can actually double your amount of BDAG that you've got right now. So if you have spent $1,000 on BlockDAG so far, if you want to put in 500 bucks more, you're going to essentially double your BlockDAG. Now, this offer is only available for 5 days, so definitely consider having this on your radar and getting involved soon. This is literally, as you can see, the final call for this pre-sale. And if you don't know about the technology of BlockDAG, guys, this basically allows the blockchain that is BlockDAG to actually run blocks in parallel, process blocks in parallel. Normally, with Bitcoin, you can only process one block at a time. But with something like BlockDAG, you can essentially run all of those blocks at the same time across the entire network, and all updating each other and actually creating this system that's incredibly more efficient and fast. Now, some other cool news about BlockDAG here to really cement its success. Obviously, they've raised hundreds of millions, but this is also a bonus. We can see they're launching on 20 different exchanges. Some of those are Mexi, LBank, Bitmark, and XT.com, just to name a few here. Now, trading on this begins when they hit the $600 million target for the pre-sale. Currently, they've raised over $260 million, with $300 million being the next milestone. So definitely get it cheap now, because later on in the pre-sale, that price is naturally going to go up. And to boost this all even further, guys, we can see they're doing what's called a battle pool. And this basically is going to allocate 150 million BDAG to a buyer's pool, and then have a leaderboard for the people who've bought for that day. Now, every day, this 150 mil will be released, and the people at the top of the leaderboard will obviously be earning the most here. But if they don't actually sell 150 via this method, then whatever's left by the day will be awarded to the people at the top of the leaderboard. Now, these guys have 3 audits under their belt. They have an internal audit from their highly capable team. They have a Halborn audit, which is a very, very high-tier auditing company. And then the top dog, which is Certic. Certic is the absolute best auditing company, and auditing something like this has taken a bit of time because it is a big project with new technology, but they have completed it now, and they have passed that audit with flying colors. Now, if you do want to earn from this, what you can do is actually join the referral program. So let's just click this here. We can see it says earn 25% BDAG for every friend you refer. So basically what that means is if your friend uses your referral link, then you're going to get 25% bonus on what they buy. So if they buy $100,000 worth of BDAG, you're going to get $25,000 worth of BDAG. And if they use your link as well, they're actually going to get a 5% bonus on what they buy too. So it's a win-win for everyone involved. So overall, yes, this is a massive, massive pre-sale, and today is probably one of the best days that you can actually buy BDAG because it's going to be the cheapest and you're getting that 50% bonus if you've already bought on top. So yes, this is a fantastic opportunity. Definitely have BDAG on your radar. Check it out in the description. That is going to be it from me. I will see you in the next video.